What was the criteria of also choosing the contestants or the participants here? Because the last trimester of pregnancy is kind of risky also. You are supposed to take a lot of care and all of that happens. Now in that, from what I could gauge and see was that everybody who's there is either 7 months or more pregnant is what I could sense from the trailer. Was that the case, and what was the criteria?
So immediately after the show got over, in less than 3 days, two of them delivered.
Wow.
Yes. But we made sure that every mother gets undivided attention.
Right.
We had on ground gynecologists, doctors, physiotherapists, scans were done, nutrition was taken care of. There were 24/7 nurses catering to each and every mother. They were being monitored, all the tests were happening, and we were taking exclusive care of all 10 mothers because that is our responsibility. They have had that faith. We are going on a show, our 10 days away from the family, away from husband. So are we in safe hands? We made sure that by the end of the journey, they say that we were in the safe hands. And I think almost every mother said, we don't want to go back.
It feels like a detox for them.
It is.
Yeah.
It is a therapy.
Right.
For us, it was an experiment. We are trying to build a community.
True.
How well people are going to receive it. And the mothers, they themselves, they said, this is what we need. This is what we didn't even think that ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है हमारे लिए. Because all this while, they've been taking care of someone else. And now the child. There was
Right.
nobody taking care of them.
Correct.
And how unfortunate it is that from the womb that all of us have come, we give it the least importance.
Very well said. Very well said. Actually, this
And
is something
all-
we need to note.
Yes. And if you see, when a woman is conceiving, when a woman is growing a life inside, she is in her highest consciousness. She's aligned with the higher powers.
Right.
Because if you see, the space itself is a womb of creation. So this and that, when they align, you are in the higher consciousness. That's why women in those particular period, they are fearless, they are vulnerable, they are, they are creating a life, hence they are in the strongest of their
Absolutely.
energetic suits. That's why they say ना, औरत जब माँ बनती है वो देवी का रूप लेती है. Devi means the higher energy.
Right.
And that's exactly what we are trying to tell every mother. You are the power.
Correct.
You are so powerful. Please acknowledge it.
But does this show also, kind of talk about postpartum and dealing with, after the baby is born, that phase that a woman goes through is also very difficult because, the body is changing in itself. You are, breastfeeding. There is a new life that you have to take care of. You are tired, with the वो 9 महीने की जो थकान होती है, वो after the delivery वो सारा पता चलता है. With that, so does the show also tap on those aspects?
Your postpartum is your 4th trimester.
Yes, it
That
starts
people
from
don't
there.
know. And we don't talk enough about it. We are not aware about it.
Correct.
But that's what we are gearing up all these mothers for. I know 10 days is less. But here we are trying to tap onto every aspect of a woman's life. Because suddenly when the child is in your arms, your world is falling apart.
Very true.
So people romanticize it कि यार जैसे आप अपने बच्चे का चेहरा देखेंगे आप सारा गम भूल जाएंगे. Sorry. ऐसा नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. आपको सारे गम, सारे दुख सब याद आते हैं. सब याद आते हैं. So let's normalize that.
Yes.
Let's accept that it's absolute human
Correct.
to fall apart. And that experience is very, very important. Because until unless you don't break, you will not make.